Knowing how to wash a condenser coil properly can save your air conditioner from costly breakdowns and keep your home cool without sweating it out. So, when you're washing that condenser coil, you want to start by turning off the power, like safety first, right? Then, grab a soft brush or coil cleaner spray made just for AC units. If you can get to the coil from inside the unit, clean it gently from the inside out, because that's the way dirt usually builds up. But if getting inside isn't doable, go from the outside in, just don't be too rough, or you might bend those delicate fins. Use a garden hose with low pressure to rinse away the grime. High pressure can mess things up. Make sure to let it dry completely before turning the power back on. Doing this every spring or early summer helps your AC run smoother and keeps your energy bills from jumping. And if you're not comfy with this, it's cool to call a pro who knows their stuff. One of the biggest mistakes people make when cleaning condenser coils is using harsh chemicals or high-pressure water, which can seriously damage the fins and reduce efficiency. Stick to mild cleaners and gentle rinses instead. Another common slip-up is skipping regular maintenance, so dirt piles up and your unit works way harder than it should. Set reminders to clean coils at least once a year. The third issue is not turning off the power before starting, which is a huge safety risk. Always double check that the AC is off at the breaker before you touch anything. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can handle jobs like cleaning condenser coils the right way. Contractors also get a steady stream of work there, making it easier to grow their business while helping folks keep their homes running smoothly.